Yeah. GRZLE. GRZLE. Alright.
History in the making, feel free to imitate it. I'm in it to be the greatest, you in it to become famous. Like Amos, your cookie crumbles. Lion roaming the jungle, say you ballin' but fumble. Get thrown out like Royal Rumble. Freakishly dope and rapping, slapping faggots that's laughing. Bringing heat, no LeBron, cooking up no Raekwon. Stop me if I am wrong, can't stop me when I am on. Coming sharper than a baton, transforming the game.
Megatron.
Don't bother to interfere, I am the rookie of the year. Your favorite rapper disappears as soon as I appear. Fuck you if you ain't with a team, legit till the death of me. Try to bite my style but end up biting me. Crazy, GRZLE, you crazy. Don't make me start to diss these so-called MCs. Say they juiced up, but they running on E. Try to roll with the team, but end up getting ran over. It's over. I'll motherfucking embarrass you. Talking about rap, I'll motherfucking embarrass you. Uneducated fucks, about to go to school. Snotty fucks might need some fucking theraflu. Theraflu, bitches. I'm too cold, I need some theraflu. Theraflu. I'm way too cold for these motherfucking bitch ass motherfuckers trying to claim that they rap.
Stop.
Stop that.
Stop.
Fuck that.